or you can simply open the image you want to crop. So I have like opened this image, and for cropping it you have to click on crop tool in this tool menu, or you can simply press C on your keyboard. So with crop tool you can hold and select a particular option to crop that particular option. Once you have done that, you can simply press on this right icon, and that part will be cropped. So I'm gonna undo it, and I'm gonna select the crop tool again. And another way to crop is you will get these borders around the photo. You can drag those and select select the only portion you want to keep. As you can see, I have only selected this mountain option, mountain area, and I have removed the shutterstock.com text. So I'm gonna click on this right icon, and as you can see, that part is gone and the image is cropped. So there are different type of crop tool as well. You can try them. So that's how you basically crop a photo on Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.